Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is gloryuzuh and you're welcome to my channel. Do make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your family, your friends, and your enemies. Spread the love, spread the fun. So if you're my returning subscriber, I just want to say I love you. We are growing. Hope you guys can see that we are growing. And so, as you can see from the title of this video, we'll be unboxing our Temu order. So this is my first Temu order. This is my first time of ordering from Temu. And by the way, I'm in Nigeria. So this is my first time of ordering from Temu. So we'll be unboxing our package. Drum roll, please. Yes, so I was trying to like do a thumbnail. So yes, I did open the package just in case my package was not complete. So let's unbox that package. So this is the first thing we'll be unboxing is this. This was the thing that made me order from Temu. So backstory to this. So I tried ordering from Temu and they were like, okay, the limit was 18,000 naira. That was this was, like I said, this was my ordering. So the limit was 18,000 naira. So when I saw 18,000, I was like, me that I just want to buy only this one. You're telling me 18,000 naira for what? I was like, when I'm ready to order, like with other things I wanted to order, like I also ordered now, I'm going to order it on Jumia. Jumia, just in case you don't know, I'm a Jumia girlie. I'm a Jumia person. And like if I want to order something, it's Jumia. So I went on Jumia and I was like searching for other fans because I didn't really imagine that this fan would be on Jumia, you get. So I was checking for other fans and I happened to come across this one. Guess how much? Guess how much this fan was on Jumia? 19,000. And I was like, this same fan that I saw for what, 5,000 naira on Temu. And I was like, hiding. I was not gonna buy it 90,000 naira or Jumia. I was like, Temu, where are you? Where are you? Come back, come back, come back, come back. So I added this to my cart. You know how the weather is hot these days here in Nigeria. This is very important. So it comes with LED lights. I'm not going to do like a whatever in this video, but it comes with LED lights, as you can see. I love it, I love it, I love it. So it has like a clip where you can like clip it somewhere. If you're like on your treadmill, if you're doing exercises, you can use this, different thing. And it has 360 rotation and also 360 upper rotation. So you guys can get why I got it. Like it's so cute, like it's so small. Yes, I expected this to be this small because I did checked reviews and also the measurements and they were like, oh, it's small, so don't expect like a big fan. So yeah, see my hand. And see it, you get. So you don't expect something big, but it's very good from what I've heard. So it just came with a manual and that's it. It didn't come with a cord or whatnot. It uses Type-C charging ports and this is the on switch here. So if you switch this on, it's not going to on. Why? Because if you look here, I don't know if you guys can see this very well, but if you look here, there's like a paper here. You just have to like take it off, and then when you turn on the fan and then you turn it on again, I'm sure you guys can hear that. You can hear the speed. It's small but it's mighty. Then you turn it on again. This is the highest. I love it. I absolutely love it. See, like, I love it. So if you want to switch on the light, you just long press it and it comes with light. So this is it. My first item. So let's switch that off and switch off the light. The second item on our list, this. So I'm meaning to get an AirPods. So I got one of Temu. I know. If this one does not serve me, you guys can come and attack me. I know. No, don't even attack me because I didn't know. Like, I'm not really expecting something great from it, and I've not used it before. It comes with a Type C cord also, which is also good since I have a Type C phone anyways, but the fan is also Type C, so I can use this cord for it. It comes with a manual, the AirPods. I love it, and I feel like it's going to be very good because the reviews were very nice, by the way. The reviews were very nice, so I feel like this is going to be very nice. Like, it's going to be a great buy because I don't buy nonsense normally on a normal day. I don't order nonsense because it's my money that is going. So I check the details very well. Let's unbox this. So this is the AirPods. It's so sleek. Let's put that on. I've not worn it before. Let's put that on. Let's put the second one on too. Don't switch on. It's not uncomfortable. It's so perfect. Like, I love it. This is the charging port, and it's so small, so sleek. Like, you can just throw it in your pocket, throw it in your bag. Like, it's not big. It's just very small. I love it, guys. Mind you, I'm going to like try and put the link of everything in my description box and also the prices. Yes, that's true. The prices I got each of this would be here. Yes, here. So for each of them, you see it there. Yeah. But if it's not there, will it be there? But if it's not there, you will see it in the description box. Yeah. So let me just know how. I'll just know how everything went. See. So let's put that back. I love it. The packaging is very much preferable. Like I said, I'll put the price there. By the time I tell you guys how much I got for this, you'll be shocked. Because me say I'm shocked. You'll be shocked. So the next package will be unboxing, will be this. For the girlies, I know if you see this, you know what's coming up next, but this. Let's unbox it. This is using a normal cord, normal Android cord. I don't know what it's called, sorry. Oh yeah, using this. It comes with a tiny manual. Oh yeah, I didn't even tell you what this is. This is a UV LED light lamp. Yeah, so they use it for drying nails. You know, it dries nails, nail polish faster. So yeah, that's what it is for. Ooh. Yes. So you bring this out and you bring this out. So it stays. So I just want to show you how the sun mini UV lamp looks like at night, like when you want to use it. I just want to show you the brightness. So this is it.
It's like a blue light. Yes, so this is it. It's not rechargeable. It does not have an inbuilt battery, so if you want to use it, you have to connect it directly to lights. So I'm currently using a power bank for this. So let me show you guys the back. So this is the power button. You just press it once, it goes off. When you press it once, it comes on, but this coming on lasts for just 60 seconds. Then it goes up, then it goes back off. So this is just to help you time when your nails is drying, like it more like a timer for your nails. However, if you want it to be like 2 minutes, that is 120 seconds, you have to press this power button, this button again, but you press it for like 2 seconds. So let's try that. It goes off and it comes back on again. You saw that. So this is just how it works. Let's go back to the video.
The next product on our list is this. So this is a glossy top coat, a base coat. It's so small. This was what surprised me the most because I didn't really pay attention to this one in particular, the ML. I just thought it would be like the normal regular ML. So I didn't pay attention. Yes, I've not opened it before. So it's so small, very small. I'm trying to move my face so it's not focused on me. Focus on it. Hey, are you seeing it? The next product will be unboxing. The last one is let's unbox it. Why do you all smell like this? 15 ml. So for that other one, the ml is actually 8 ml. Yeah, it's 8. So imagine that's like almost times of this. So this is 15 ml. Guys, the bottle is so fine and the cover is so beautiful. Let me show you guys. Oh my gosh, the bottle is actually cute, by the way. It's XJ, say J or whatever, but yeah. This is it. This is how it looks like. Anyways, guys, we've come to the end of this video. That's the end of our Temu haul. So is it Temu? Is it Temu? Is it? That's all. Anyways, we've come to the end of our Temu haul. I hope you did enjoy this video. Like I said earlier, the link of everything will be in my description box with the prices and the name, just in case you want to get it. So I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, share this video with your family, your friends, and your enemies. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. So I've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching and coming to this point. I really do appreciate it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. By the way, guys, Dima Ume is back. Yes, she's back. I started to put it out here, like, she's back. I miss vlogging. I miss talking to you guys. But yo, I love butter with that for Temu. I loved it. So guys, bye. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. And just so you know, God loves you. Jesus Christ loves you, and he loves you so much. Bye, guys.